Kilobyte here, and I went with the Music City Miata Club to my first autocross. Now this video was going to be a video on my experience and show the videos and everything. It was just too long. It was well over 20 minutes. Nobody wants to watch a 20-minute video. So I'm breaking it into two parts. This part is the post-mortem, or maybe a debrief. Well, I will show you the videos from my laps. I'll do a comparison of my fastest to someone else's, and we'll talk about the car setup, and then you can tell me what I need to do to improve. So I want to take this time to thank everyone for watching. Definitely appreciate it. And I am planning a giveaway, something I use a fair bit, and something that I think most of my viewers would actually use. The video in which I'm going to do a side-by-side, that was Joey's from the Music City Miata Club. That was the run that won the novice group that day, and I will show that against mine, where you can compare. His was a little over 2 seconds faster than mine. Also, the thumbnail is from what was taken by one of the members, MVG Images. I'll have the link in the description. If you were there, you may have a picture of your car there as well. All right, so let's talk about the car for a minute. It's set up. I do run in STR, Street Touring Roadster. I have ancient, almost 19,000 mile on the stock Bridgestones, and they still have some tread left. They have seen 3 winters. It is my daily driver. One of those had a little bit of snow. No, Tennessee winters aren't generally that bad, and when they were, I just didn't drive it, but I did drive it in the below freezing temperatures. It was my daily. So they have now gone pretty hard, and they are the stock ones, which people's opinions vary greatly. I'll let you have yours. So it has the Brembo options. It has the stock brake pads. I did bleed the brakes before the race, and I didn't notice any brake issues other than my application of the brakes. The car has coilovers. They're MeisterR GT1s, and I have JBR front and rear sway bars. The front are hard, the rear are soft. I will put a copy of the setup in the description. Oh, and on the alignment, I'll put that there as well, but it's roughly 7.3 caster. The front minus 1.5, right front minus 1.4 on Camber, left front, and the rears are both minus 1.3. Toe is 14 degrees front, and the back is 15 degrees toe in there on the rear. Tire pressure, I set it at 29 cold. I did not adjust the tire pressure during any of the runs. We didn't have a whole lot of time, and this is my first one, so I figure I needed to focus on my driving. But I did adjust the coilovers. I started with 16 from firm, and after run 4, I changed them to 8 from firm. Now, I will tell you that the track it's old asphalt, and it was very slick. So part of my issues I can attribute to the track. However, it was understeering tremendously. I do make some comments throughout my runs, and one of the big things is that it pushed so bad going into the corners and didn't want to turn. It was pretty rough. So I was driving way too aggressively. I should have slowed down more for the corners, absolutely. But I really felt like the tires should have had better grip. I don't think it's set up right. Maybe I should put some money into some new wheels and sticky tires. So, and I am soliciting your input. So if you do autocross and you got input on a Miata, hey, put them in the comments. Do I want 17x8 wheels? What tires, size tires should I get? I'm thinking maybe 235 40 17s. That's kind of where I'm thinking right now. What tire might be best? And this would be a summer tire or maybe even dedicated to autocross. I haven't decided yet. I will keep these for winter and maybe, you know, other driving. But anyway, what about the setup? When you see my laps, you'll kind of get an idea of what's happening. You'll see me turning the wheel way too far, trying to get it to turn. Yeah, I know, the more you turn it when it's sliding, the less grip you get. Let the brakes break, all that stuff. But that's what I did. And also driving suggestions. I made a lot of mistakes. Like I said, I was way too aggressive and stuff. So any sort of input, hey, you know, put it in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And oh, I'm running again in less than a month. So yeah, I need to do something. I am thinking I need to soften the front up since it wouldn't bite on the front. I'm thinking maybe move the sway bar to medium, maybe soften the coilovers a bit. That's what I'm thinking. Obviously I don't want to do too much at one time, but again, this is I'm asking for your help. Put in the comments what you think, and let's move on to the videos. This first video I'm going to do is from a dash cam. My battery had actually died right at the beginning of the 6th run, which was my fastest. The helmet cam battery died, so all I had was my dash cam. But it's going to be compared to another video from well, Joey's video that he won the novice class with. So I think that maybe that'll show some, you know, good comparison. Following that, I'll have my other 6 runs from the helmet cam, and you can see and hear that, and you know, give me feedback, because I definitely have a lot to improve on. Me, and I think the car has some as well. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Rotate, rotate. Go wide. Brake, brake, brake. Come on. Get it, get it. Ah! Brake off.
Ready?
Sure.
Go.
Well, visor dropped. I know I said I was going to take it easy, but darn it, I'm competitive. Oh, woo! Like I said, take it easy. Front wheels are not gripping near as much as I would have liked. I remember this corner because I worked it. It sucked. Everybody kept hitting that corner, that cone, and this cone, and worked through. Good. Line up, hit the bump, make the turn. 57,337.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Ah. Work on that shift. Okay, turn, good turn. Wow, there, that's a little better. Go a little wider. Don't go in the trees. Don't look at the trees. Slow down. Turn, 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 turn. Bring it out a little. Brake. Turn. I was a little faster that time. 55,304. Okay, that was me. Yeah. Okay, position. Brake, 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 brake. Turn, turn, turn. Come on. Brake, turn. That sucked. Rotate it, go. Loose. Keep on it, come on. Oh. Alright, well, 54,482, and I made several mistakes. Well, I definitely revved it up more. This was my turn. This is always my turn. Smooth, 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 smooth. Didn't hit a cone. 54,396.
Ready.
Traction control. Man, I can't do that. Position. Let's work on position. Oh, I can tell the... Okay, remember, this is when you lose it. Turn. Ease back. Go. Brake. I know that was a little early. Should have turned. Nah, it wasn't too bad. Come on. Position. Traction control. Okay, this one bites me. Rotate. Oh, it's rotating better with those 11s. Make it. Wide. Turn in. Modulate. Oh, that thing wants to come out there. Oh, yeah! That felt good. Dang, it's slower. I thought that would be faster. It felt good.
Go.
Better start. Smooth. Going over brake. Okay, a little brake. Okay, there you screwed up again. Dang it! 54 603. I just can't get out of 54. So before I end the video, I got to show you. Yep, and that's why I gotta wear this shirt to an autocross. All right, well, thanks for watching. I've got to try to get this car to turn in less than a month before I do some more autocrossing, and I definitely appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, it is appreciated. And I gotta go find me a set of wheels with some Treadwear 200 tires, some cheap ones.